Guess what? You can start a full news channel today using only AI. Let me show you exactly how to create your own AI news channel from scratch. Take a look at this. Good evening and welcome to Content Vibes News Update. I'm your host, Oma. Tonight, we begin with breaking news. Stay tuned, more headlines and updates are coming shortly. The Plateau State's Police Command has announced a major breakthrough in its fight against insecurity, with the arrest of 15 suspected criminal elements who have been posing as commercial motorcyclists across the state. The Naira on Monday began the week with depreciation against the United States dollar. If you like videos like this, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel.
First thing first, head on to ChatGPT to type in your prompt. I typed, I want to create a TV newscast. I have a lady presenter. Give me a prompt for the news broadcast. Include the presenter, scene setting, camera movement, lighting, news script, and tune. And I got this prompt for the presenter, the scene, camera movement, lighting, news script, and the tone for the AI presenter. Next, copy the AI prompt, then head over to Google Gemini. Normally, if you want to create an image using Google Gemini, what you need to do is to click on Create Image, then paste your prompt here. But because I want my AI avatar to have a particular face, I'll have to click on the plus sign and import the image or the particular face I want my AI newscaster to have. Then paste the presenter prompts from ChatGPT here. To make your AI newscaster look exactly like the person on the image, add using this face above the prompt. Hit send and Google Gemini would generate an image for you. Also, if there is something you want to change or add to the image, you can ask it to add or change a particular thing. For instance, in the first image, I discovered that it added a channel name, and I want my channel name to be CVTV, that's Content Vibes TV. So I had to write this prompt for it to get me a perfect image. Once you're satisfied, click on the three dots and save your image here. AI video creation is about creativity, so I went ahead to also tell it to generate different camera angles for this image, and these are the images that I got. Next is how to source your news. Simply go to Google and search for trending news and top stories. And for this tutorial, I'll be typing Nigerian news today. Select any of the news and copy some parts of the news. Also copy the news prompt given to you by ChatGPT. Paste it anywhere on your phone. I'm using my notepad. Arrange and edit the script because this is what you'll be using for your video generation. Head over to Grok. Before we start the video generation, you need to turn off your auto video generation. You can do this by clicking here, then go to settings, then toggle off automatic video generation here. Next, go back to the home page and click on Create Video. Select Photo Library and then select the image you want. Click on Make Video. Click on Custom and it brings you to this place where you have to type in how you want your video to come out, what you want your newscaster to say. To do this, go back to your notepad and copy the camera movements, lighting, and tone. Then paste it back on Grok. Then go above the text you've pasted to type in what you want your newscaster to say. To do this, type in dialogue, put a colon, use a quotation mark to write what you want your newscaster to say. This is very important because this is the only thing that can make your avatar or your AI newscaster talk. So make sure you take note of this. Now I went back to my notepad to copy the introduction or the starting point of my script or what I want my AI newscaster to say, then paste it back on the Grok. Also take note that my quotation marks are still there. Hit on send and wait for your video to be generated. One lovely thing about Grok is that the video generation is very fast. It takes a very short time before you get your video. So this is very, very amazing. And the video is ready. Check it out.
Good evening and welcome to Content Advice News Update. I'm your
If it doesn't come out perfect, you keep on generating until you get a perfect video. AI is not perfect, so you just have to keep generating until you get what you want. For the rest of the video, go back to your notepad, copy the next line. Remember, don't copy so much. Just copy the text bit by bit to get a perfect result. Go back to Grok, repeat the process by pasting it in the custom box, then hit on send.
Tonight, we begin with breaking news. Stay tuned. More headlines and updates are coming shortly. Tonight, we begin with breaking news. If you are enjoying this video, please give this video a like. Also, subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications.
Next is for you to get a background music. The music I used on this video was gotten from YouTube Audio Library. This is a sure place for you to get a copyright-free song. To access it, go to your YouTube studio and scroll down to Audio Library. To get a perfect sound for your newscast, use the search area to type in news. Once you've typed in news, it brings out soundtracks that are befitting for your newscast. Once you've played it and like what you hear, go to the right hand corner, tap on it and download the soundtrack. To edit your video, head on to CapCut, click on new video and import all your videos. Once you're done, click on add. Then all the videos will be on your timeline. One thing I noticed after I imported all this video was that the videos, or rather the pictures, were generated in a different aspect ratio. So what I need to do now is to change the aspect ratio. I'm doing this because I want to post this video on YouTube, and YouTube's aspect ratio is 16:9. And if I leave this video like this, that means my video will have black borders around it, and I don't want this. So go to aspect ratio and select 16:9 aspect ratio. Next, go to background and use any of these features to cover your background. Select any one of your choice across the various clips here. You can see the difference. Once you do that, you can see that there are no black borders around your video anymore. Next is to import our sound. Click on audio, then click on sound. Here there are various sounds that you can use. You can type use to access them, but like I told you, I prefer to use sounds from YouTube Audio Library. So what I need to do is to go to folder, then select device, select the sound we downloaded from the YouTube Audio Library. As you can see, is now below the video. Next thing I did was to split it at the point where the newscaster started talking. The reason I had to do this was that I don't want the sound from the audio clip to overshadow the newscaster's voice. So once I splitted it, I went to the volume, clicked on it, and reduced the volume of the soundtrack at the point that the newscaster started talking. This was the results that I got.
Good evening and welcome to Content Vibes News Update. I'm your host, Oma. Tonight we begin with breaking news. Stay tuned.
Now everything is set, so I hit on the export button. Now you've learned how I did this. Please click on the like button, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.